Hello, today my oldest daughter and I are going to be showing you how we did a dishwasher repair of the heating element on our Kenmore Portable Dishwasher. First, we removed the bottom rack of the dishwasher, and now we're simply tipping it onto its back. Being that it's a portable dishwasher, we did not have to disconnect it from the electrical or the water supply or the drain. We just tipped it over and cleaned off a little bit of cobwebs. And now we are going to remove the electrical connections that connect the heating element to the unit, and also remove the boots that anchor the heating element to the bottom of the dishwasher. We're having a little bit of difficulty getting the electrical connections off, so we're wiggling and loosening a little bit, and eventually we'll get them off here. One thing nice about the portable dishwasher is that everything is disconnected pretty easy. And we do end up using a screwdriver, not to unscrew anything, but just as leverage to get this little electrical connector to pop right off. And now unscrew the boots by hand. Now we're going to flip the dishwasher back upright. A little bit of water leaked. Now the old heating element just pops right out. And the new boots and the new element. Very nice, very nice. Yes, there it is. Now we're going to anchor it on the clips that keep it off of the bottom of the dishwasher and seat the electrical connectors into their slots. Flip the dishwasher back over on its side. And now we will just connect the boots. We're just going to hand tighten them. From what we researched, we learned that we did not want to over tighten those, but just enough to create a watertight seal. And then we will go ahead and plug in the electrical connectors. Once those are nice and tight, plug those back in. Good to go. Now we'll flip the unit right back up. And now we are doing a reset on the dishwasher. We're pushing the 3 buttons in a row 3 times without a second to spare in between. And now the dishwasher will go through and lights will flash. And I know all these actually mean something, but I am not needing it to tell me error codes right now. Yay, it went through its 12-minute cycle and we were able to successfully wash the dishes with the heating element working once again. Thanks for joining us.